Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Awaken Tarot. This is the first tarot deck by RYVE, hopefully I'm pronouncing it correctly, R-Y-V-E. I actually have a couple of their affirmation decks, which I really do enjoy. I will be doing a video on these soon, so stay tuned, but this is their first tarot. Check them out. I will link in the description box everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this, as well as their affirmation decks and their art. It's gorgeous. It's stunning. Highly recommend. They actually reached out to send me this deck to check out on the channel, so I'm very appreciative. Thank you so much. This, I believe, retails for $15.95 right now as of filming. That's the 30% off sale because it just launched. So like I said, everything's in the description box below, but I'm excited. Let's get into it. Welcome to Living Life Deliberately. We created the Awaken Tarot deck by consciously staying true to the original tradition and symbolism of the Rider-Waite-Smith deck. To make it more relatable, our modernized characters celebrate the uniqueness and diversity of the world we live in today. May the Awaken Tarot be an empowering tool that inspires you to pay attention to life by staying present in the now, where intuition guides your journey through life. We believe in you and we wish you every success in all areas of your life. I'm so excited. This packaging is gorgeous. I love the foiling. There is a magnetic side here that opens up. Oh, the magician is a powerhouse. The energy to create and manifest comes from the awareness and ability to use the elemental tools to support one's life journey through change, growth, and evolution. LAMP. Cute. All right. You can go there for more information. Aw, cute. Thanks, Sally. All right, so here's the guidebook. Before we get into the cards, let's check this out. Oh, it's color printed. Nice. Okay, so we have forward, an introduction, the tarot deck. We have some spreads, example readings, and then it goes into the cards and acknowledgements. I love this. So there's some information here, which is fantastic. Oh, I love the chart. We've got numerology too. Wow. And then court card info, card interpretations. So then we have a 1 card, a 2 card spread, 3 card, and advanced spreads. And then example readings. Nice. Okay, let's get into the deck. I'm really excited. Ooh, that back though. That is so pretty. Looks like it is a matte. Ooh, we have foil around the border. Love it. Okay, let's take a look at the cardstock. It's flexible. So it feels, I'm trying to think of an example off the top of my head. It's very flexible, but it snaps back. It's not super thin. It's flexible, but it doesn't feel like it is like paper thin or anything delicate. I feel like you can definitely get a really good shuffle out of this, but it's still durable. All right. I love the modern art style. I think that's fun. The symbolism looks like it's all there. Just a fresh and fun take. That gold foiling is doing it for me. Oh, I love. Oh, she's so happy. It's a good size too. Oh, we have 2 different lovers cards. That's awesome. So this one looks a little bit more ambiguous. I love that. Thank you. It's the little things like that that really make a difference, at least in my opinion. And again, everyone has different preferences and what they like out of a tarot deck. But just the sheer thought that that was included as an option just tells you like the thought that went behind the deck, you know? I appreciate that. It feels very fresh, very clean, modern, but staying true to that symbolism. Oh, that is cool. I like that. Okay. Impressed. I really, really like this so far. Oh, we have a city in the background. Oh, I love it. Very regal. Okay, but I really love that outfit. I would rock it. Interesting. All right. Cool, cool, cool. All right. I'm really loving the fresh take of this. I love the diversity, the different ages. I love the different outfits. Oh, that's so fun. Oh, and there's a pumpkin. How cute. Definitely feels like these are people that you would know in your community, friends and family. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, genius. The little hiker there. I'm enjoying it. I think this is adorable. This is like a great example of an updated Rider-Waite-Smith deck. For those of you who liked the updated pulp girls deck as well as the Modern Witch deck, but thought it was too feminine. This is a fantastic alternative for sure. Oh, see, I just love this. Everything is like so well done. I'm very impressed. It works very well as a beginner. Oh my gosh, I love this so much. Oh, his face. Oh, it's perfect. But whatever level of reader you find yourself as, this is a good deck for you. I mean, accomplished reader or beginner, I feel like you'll definitely understand the energy of the cards going into this. Oh, even the detail down here. Nice. Little butterflies. Oh, cute. Hard hats. Love that. This deck just makes me smile. I just love that. The attention to detail with the different knights too. Oh my gosh, stunning. Look at all that back there. And the last one. All right, let's see how it shuffles. Yeah, there's a lot of flexibility in here, but it's snapping back. Yeah, it works this way too. All right, can I get a card to read, please? Okay, so we are going to read for the Six of Swords here. All right, Six of Swords. You've had a difficult and exhausting time, but now you're ready to move on and begin your journey of healing and recovery. Soon, you'll find yourself sailing on smooth waters and headed toward a safe harbor. Let go of the past and don't look back. Better days are ahead. All right, I just want to see. Yeah, oh, we have a quote for each of the major arcana cards. Yeah, I'd say this is a pretty good right out the gate deck for RYVE. I am impressed. I think this is great. The price is great. Even if it is 30% off right now, that's still a great price for the quality here and for the thought that went into it. The packaging is fantastic. I'm super duper impressed. I don't know about you, but this is a great everyday deck. I love the diversity. I love the attention to detail. Like I said, if you guys were interested in the Pulp Girls or the Modern Witch Tarot, or anything that was a tarot deck that felt too feminine, that was a remake of the traditional imagery, this is your deck if you wanted more of that masculine energy intertwined, that balance. This is fantastic for that. I'm really impressed. I love the addition of the second Lovers card. I think that is a great inclusive item to give. I'm overwhelmingly excited about this. So if you see it in more videos and pick a cards, that's why. Thank you so much to Sally and RYVE for sending this deck our way. I really appreciate it. I am so excited for you guys. This is fantastic. Now I'm going to turn it over to you, my viewers. What do you think about this deck? Is this something that you're excited about? Have you even heard about this deck? What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comment section below. I always enjoy hearing your thoughts and opinions because everybody's is different. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. I appreciate the heck out of you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone, have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.